Indian Premier League 2026 match number 64 Rajasthan Royals vs Lucknow Super Giants match played at Sawai Mansingh Stadium, Jaipur. Rajasthan Royals won the toss, elected to ball first. Lucknow Super Giants 20 overs 220 runs lost by 5 wickets. Mitchell Marsh is the highest scorer, 96 runs, 57 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Yash Raj Panja, 4 overs, no maiden, 35 runs, 2 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals 19.1 overs, 225 runs lost by 3 wickets. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is the highest scorer, 93 runs, 38 balls. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell, Mohsin Khan, 4 overs, no maiden, 31 runs, 1 wicket taken. Rajasthan Royals won by 7 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Congratulations, Rajasthan Royals.